What's up, people? Welcome to one brand new lesson. We are almost getting to the end of our course on future. Now, guys, we will be learning how we can create questions with going to. And similarly to the strategy that we adopted in questions with will, we will divide this conversation and this discussion in two stages. The first one, learning more about the close-ended questions, and the second one, learning a little bit more about the open-ended questions and how we can use going to make these two different types of questions. So let's begin. We have here the formula, the structure of going to. Initially, guys, I would like you to ignore the double H questions, right? Focus just from the to be, verb to be, the subject going to, and then the book, right? Because then we can ask, is he going to read a book? Are you going to watch a movie? Is she going to study grammar, for example? Are they going to travel on business? So we see that these questions, they are close-ended because then we can say, yes, I am going to, yes, he is going to, she is going to, or no, I am not going to, he isn't going to, you aren't going to. So these are the close-ended questions, right? That we can say just yes or no. In the examples here below, we have two possibilities. Is she going to come to the party? And then we see here, guys, that we invert, right? The verb to be and the subject. Because if it's affirmative, I say, she is going to come. But since it is a question, is she going to come? Are they going to visit us tomorrow? If it is affirmative, we say they are going to visit us. But since it is a question, are they? Right? So we just invert the verb to be with the subject. And that's how we ask questions with going to, close-ended questions. And now, if we want to create open-ended questions, it's very simple. We just need to add the double H questions. For example, where are you going to watch a movie? Why are you going to read a book? For example, when are you going to study grammar? How is he going to travel on business? You see, we just put the elements together. It's like pieces of a puzzle, pieces of Lego to the game that are blocks, and then we build on these blocks. Who and what? So we use the double H questions before the verb to be, and then the subject going to the structure for future, and then the verb in base form. And then the examples below we have, where are you going to go after the class? Why are you going to buy this pair of sneakers, for example? So this, guys, is how we can create questions with going to. Regardless if we want to ask a close-ended question, are you going to eat this piece of pizza? Yes, I am going to eat it, or no, I am not going to eat it. And how we can ask also open-ended questions like, what are you going to eat for dinner? Where are you going to travel, for example? And now with this lesson, you know how to use going to in questions effectively. Thank you very much. We catch up on our next discussion. See you then.